$4,657,634.93 has been paid out in total by this awesome website we just found, and we can't wait to share it with you all. You can just sign up and start earning money immediately. And the shocking part is that the average time it takes for users to make their cash out is just 17 minutes after they sign up to the website.
No way!
Another crazy thing is that you can cash out in so many methods. According to the website, you can cash out your money to PayPal, Amazon, or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. A tip would be to cash out into a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and hold it in the wallet. When the price of Bitcoin goes high, your earnings will also go high, and you would therefore be earning money online passively. Money is a very important part of everyone's life. They say money can't buy happiness, so it is not important. But you have to agree that it is better to be sad in a Ferrari than a local bus. This video will help you make some extra money with minimal work involved. It won't require an investment, hard work, or any skill. People want to know the fastest and the easiest ways to make money online. You won't become a millionaire with the website we will share with you now, but if you want a website that pays you fast, this website is the best one. It's perfect for people who have never earned money online and simply want to get proof that you can really make money anywhere in the world. Before we start, kindly leave a comment below about which dream country you would love to travel to if you had the money. Because when you have a clear dream, you will be more motivated to make money online. Now, let's get started. This amazing website is called freecash.com. It's paying money to people all the time, and if you have visited them before, you have seen that this number is growing all the time. They have already paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in total to their users. People from all over the world have been paid in total close to $5 million in free cash. The average time until a user makes the first cash out is only 17 minutes. The average money earned yesterday by their users is around $19. You will get paid today because there are very low withdrawal limits. Their cash out starts at only 1 cent. You can see your people earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes by completing free cash exclusive surveys. Free Cash is a website that reliably pays you money. So Free Cash is considered one of the fastest ways to make money online. Free Cash works together with companies that advertise their apps, surveys, and products. Let me show you how it works. There are simply 3 steps. First, to choose a task, then complete it and receive coins and cash out them. Simply by signing up, you will be able to withdraw the money into your own account today. If you wonder what other people are saying about Free Cash, look at Trustpilot. They have an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 stars based on more than 10,000 reviews. Almost everybody is giving them 5 stars out of 5. You can see that people love this website because they pay free money fast. And you will find tons of payment proofs on Google when you type Free Cash payment proofs. It works in the same way as any other easy money website works. You'll be making money by doing easy and simple tasks such as answering questions, playing games, downloading apps, and other similar things. Click on the rewards button, then click here to claim 10 coins. You can claim some free coins every day simply by logging and clicking on this claim button. Then you will get another 50 points, usually by following them on Twitter. So those 2 are some tips on how you can get points every single day. At the moment, there are 3 different options where you can start earning coins and then transfer that into money. So there are featured offers, offer walls, and surveys. Sometimes you will find some bonuses here that will be between 25 to 50%. There are 3 ways to make money. First, do these featured offers, then offer walls and surveys. So let me show you as an example. If you click on this option, you will find so many tasks to do. You can do this with your Android phone or your Apple phone. So you can use any kind of device to make money. All you have to do is choose the offer that you like most. Once you do that, they will explain what you need to do. For example, if you click on this task, you need to play this game and reach this level within these days to get the reward. You can complete all of these if you want. After doing all of these tasks, click on Offer Tarot. Once you click on it, this site will show you a pop-up. Here you can see there are offers for desktops and mobile phones, so you can decide which device you are using. You can make money with your phone too. You will find different survey offers if you select the survey option. Now, you need to install these apps and use them for some time. You will earn these points that you can convert into real money by doing these tasks. When you complete these tasks, click on the other option and follow their instructions. But if you prefer answering surveys only instead of playing games, you can also do so. Surveys are effortless, where you will be asking simple questions that anybody can answer. Now click on any section right here and start earning money from surveys. Once you have those coins, you can come here to cash out. From here, you will be able to withdraw. They have many withdrawal options. They have PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many different ones. If PayPal is not supported in your country, I recommend you withdraw your money via Bitcoin. If you want to withdraw your money via Bitcoin, you need to click on Bitcoin right here. Then you will choose your Bitcoin address or Coinbase address. This time, you'll need to simply fill out your wallet address and then enter the coin amount and click on the withdraw button. After a withdrawal request, they will check it, and then once it's ready, the money will come to your account. Before I show you how much money you can earn on free cash, could you click the subscribe button and change the notification icon to all, so that you will be the first to know when we post another video about another awesome website. Now, how much money can you earn on free cash? I will show you now. When you click on leaderboard, you will land on this page, giving daily and monthly bonuses. You will see the daily leaders and monthly leaders. You may be wondering what it means. It means that if you end up on the top list for one day, you will get an additional bonus. And this is not so hard. You can see if you earn $10 to $12, you will be already in the top 50. If you finish 3 or 4 high-paying offers, you will be on the top 50 list. They also have a monthly competition. So if you click on monthly, these people earn an even bigger bonus. So if you want the monthly contest, you will get a $100 to $150 bonus. But the good news is they are running a promotional campaign, so that they give a special prize for $250 every day. As you can see here, the first person who makes more money within the day gets $500 as a bonus. They give bonuses up to 250 people. So it may be pretty easy for you to get within this list and even get free money. They also have a monthly leaderboard where they give $2,500 in bonus. In total, you can see they provide bonuses to 250 persons within a month who get the most points even for spot 100. You can see they give like $11 to $13. For the first people, they give even hundreds of dollars. So if you earn a lot of points on this website, you can also make more money. They also have a referral program to earn a percentage of your friends' earnings, so you can also get those bonuses. But the first requirement is that you make the $10 yourself, which is very easy to do. The second requirement is that you click the like button to let us know you learned something new today. Would you like to learn another easy way to make money online? Click here.